not that we need any more cancers, but we keep hearing of things like sari cancer, petticoat cancer. Sari bhi nahi pehenenge ab kya hai? What is it? Can you talk to us about what is the petticoat cancer?
See, there is not petticoat cancer. Let's go to, if you go to Srinagar, there is a synonym of petticoat cancer called Kangdi cancer. So they use hot water, bath of some hot plate put on the abdomen to keep themselves warm.
Yeah.
It causes cancer. So remember one thing, any chronic irritation is likely to cause cancer. So if anything is causing an irritation, if the petticoat or sari is so strongly tied that it is really causing a damage to the skin and a constant pressure at one particular point,
Right.
yes, it can cause cancer.
So in effect, it's a skin cancer.
It would be a skin cancer.
Yeah.
Similarly, let's go away from this point and go to a tooth cancer. So if your tooth is damaged and it constantly irritates your buccal mucosa, lot of at least 20-25% of oral cancer is because of abnormal tooth which are constantly irritating either your buccal mucosa or your tongue. So it's again an irritational cancer. So yes, irritational cancer is a physical possibility and it can happen.
Right. Thank you so much. So all of those who were delaying going to the dentist, please do that. And I think the important take back is listen to your bodies. It's giving you the signal. Sometimes, things are not in our control, like Dr. Dinesh rightly said. We leave that to the higher powers, but what is in our control, we should do that. And I think the most important thing is awareness. Angelina Jolie, of course, in 2013, she went, she talked about her, the risk that she had with BRCA1 gene. She went for double mastectomy, removed fallopian tubes in the ovary. And the big thing, she talked about it, the big thing was that encouraged a lot of women to get themselves, their genes tested for the risk. So I think the important part, the big takeaway here is talk about it, read about it, go to the right people if you have questions, and let's not make cancer a hush-hush. Let's not fear it. Let's take it on.